everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. Today, we're going circles around a topic that has surely made you scratch your head at one point or another. Now, as we all know, sanders come in a variety of sizes, styles, shapes, price ranges, and of course, best uses. Now, the Random Orbital Sander tends to be the most common because of its attractive price range, how quickly it removes material, and because it has a random scratch pattern, which means you can go across the grain in any direction, no problem. Now, however, it does require special sandpaper. You can accidentally remove way too much material very quickly, and its round body makes it so that you can't fit it inside corners at all. Now, its systematic cousin, the Orbital Sander, has a predictable scratch pattern, which makes cross-grain sanding a cardinal sin, but its square body does fit inside corners. Its price point is even more attractive. It doesn't sand nearly as aggressively, and it doesn't require special sandpaper. I mean, come on there, huh?